Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I will show you how to create this eye-catching liquified text effect. This technique was inspired by my friend Reno Nadiandy, and you can find the link of his YouTube channel, The Art Design with Canva, in the description. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, first what we need, I just open a new page. I need some nice background for my text. I just use this because it will be a water-based image. Then I'm going to the app section, and first I need the app called Font Frame, this one, and going down, use selected image. I just select this image. I have a text water, and one important thing, the border weight we have to remove to 0, and the font type you can choose whatever you need for your design. Then just add to design. I can remove immediately the background, I mean this water part. So I just increase the text, and going again to the app section, and now I'm looking for the app called Warp Brush, this effect. So this application, sorry, I'm just already thinking ahead. We need the warp. Sorry, first I need to select the image where I would like to use it. Might be a bit increasing the text a bit more. Like, that's too much. Like this. Or even, yeah, like this. I need a space for the effect. So I click on warp. Brush size 400 is too much. 100, yeah, like around 100. And the strength I just reduce to, first I try with 30, then later we can change it if it's too much. And just moving my mouse, that's not enough, I think. 100 is good, but I increase to 44. I don't know why the size is, yeah, now it's moved back. Maybe to 130, yeah, it's good. And now no, it's 44 is too much. Again, I just reduced to 36. And I don't know why in this case always the brush size is increasing, even we do not touch a size. Yeah, no, it's good. 138, yeah. Okay, like this. This one was a bit better than this, I don't know why. That was not works always as we want, but actually it's still really good. I can save it, and now I just need to save. Actually, I don't need to save. Add page, it's already saved. I'm going to the uploads, and here in the uploads I can find my text immediately. I can increase in the size. I just cutting the borders a bit, increasing. No, it's too much. Like this, and it's already an image. That means I can go into the edit, shadow, drop shadow, and I can play a bit angle, a bit reducing, distance also a bit, just a bit, intensity just increase just a small amount, and the blur also. And now I just need to find a background. What can I use? Like I use this light blue background, set as image background, and it's already done. I'm pretty amazed with this warp effect, plus I made this small adjustment with this drop shadow, and it's pretty nice. We can use it for any social media or whatever we need. I really like this effect. Thanks for the inspiration for Reno Nadiandy. And as I mentioned before already, you can find the link of his channel, the art design with Canva, in the description. But now this tutorial is going to end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section if you miss anything from the tutorial, or if you're struggling anything with Canva. I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page, where you can find a bunch of text to image prompts for image generation for different kind of application. Plus, of course, you can find lots of tutorials, Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another amazing Canva tutorials. You can find a link also in the description. But now this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.